Second and 10 for Pittsburgh. Connor had a huge day last week. He's got a lane. Connor cuts to the outside. First down at the Cincinnati 49. On the ground, a little trip stumble, and Connor gets it across the 45. Give it to Connor. Connor rumbles to the 1. Flag down. First and goal at the 1. Looking for the equalizer. Connor pounds it in for Pittsburgh.
A few crafty little tools there by Kirkpatrick.
Second and 10. Short toss. Connor trying to create after the catch. Down at the 30, hit by Sean Williams, and a 4-yard pickup.
In the first quarter.
They go with Nix in front of Connor. It will be Connor going up in the air. Connor, touchdown. Bengals thought they stonewalled him. Connor breaks the plane. Not a great route runner yet. Second and 10. Connor's got a hole and a cut. Connor, pectoral out of Houston. First down for the Steelers. Connor down the sideline. Connor spills to the goal line. Pittsburgh with the football, first and 10 at its own 24. Connor, good cut, dishing out some punishment, and still going.
Boy, watch the power of Connor. He's going to dip his shoulder right into Sean Williams there. Bounces off of Perfect.
The Bengals getting checked out.
That's a matchup you might like. A linebacker, Evans, on Antonio Brown.
Underneath. Connor to the 40-yard line. 5 yards short. Third with the football. Give it to Connor. Shot out of a cannon. Bates is in there along with Kirkpatrick and Jackson in the secondary. No Denard. Dump off. Connor. And he's tossed by Preston Brown on the play. They lead at 17-14 with an even 8 minutes to play. Second and 8. Pump and toss to Connor. Gets to the outside. And Connor is slammed down by Dunlap.